This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your Samsung TV without the remote. So you can kind of see it right here. There's a little light that's flashing or just on. And you can see on my table here, and it's in the bottom right corner. There's a little rectangle that has the word Samsung on it. And we should be able to just use our fingers, and there should be something we can press in right here. So it's right in the middle of the Samsung, around like the M. I can press this in, and my TV should turn on. So if I just press it, it should turn on. Just quickly press it. It's on. Now to turn it off, we can press it once. And if we press it once, we can see the controls, and then we can go on over. If we keep pressing it in, go over to power off right here, and then we can just hold it down. So if you hold it down, you should be able to turn it off right there. So I'll just down the speaker. So I'm going to go over to power off, hold it down now, and boom, it's off. Just like that. So you press it once to move to the different categories. So I'm going to press it, it's on. I'm going to press it again so I can just go to the home screen here without showing that. So I can just press it. This will pop up. Press it one more time, power off, hold it down now, and it's powered off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.